He's ripped it and he started to eat it. He's ripped the other side. Knew it was coming. Oh, he spat them out. Good boy, he spat them out.
Can I get on with my meal?
Came outside within roughly 10 seconds. Django was asleep on his bed. Dog comes out. Because he's always chilling with me. Because he's the dog. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, sit on it. What are you doing? What are you spinning round at? I've got the funky knives with the hex match. There you go, go on, go on. There you go, good lad, his turn, his turn. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh. Me and that dog. Oh yeah. One keeps getting Scott.